Hello friends, my name is Hindul Roy and I am going to share the interview or written test experience of Infosys to get offer letter. I passed out from Siliguri Institute of Technology from Siliguri in July 2020. After that I did my internship in a IT company. So I get notified by Job for You channel from YouTube that Infosys is going to conduct their recruitment for year 2021. So I registered there. I get a mail before 16th May to write the written test. So I get a mail 2 days before that I have a written test. To clear the written test, I basically did 2 days preparation. I basically go through all previous year questions which are available in YouTube. I did prepare from quant, reasoning, verbal ability, and code snippet and pseudocode. I suggest all aspirants to give weightage in all sections to clear the written test because it is a mass recruitment. It is in all over India. So after giving the written test in 16 May at 10 a.m. I got a result some days later that I cleared the written test. Then the next step come to clear to fill the form with my resume. So getting an interview call at early a resume is a key role. So I search how to write resume for Infosys. I mention some kind of certification I did in my BTech, that C++, Java. I did 3 internship. After getting a call from Infosys, I did my interview at 29 June at around 10:19 a.m. Basically, interview in my case, the interview was around 20 minutes. The interviewer is quite calm and he is kind of friend. So don't get nervous at the time of interview. Basically, I show my Aadhaar card at the first time in my interview when it start. Then I tell my brief about who am I, or tell me about yourselves. So after giving a brief description about me, from where I came from, what I did in my BTech, or what kind of percentage. So I also mentioned about my long-term goal in IT sector, so that he got impressed. After that he asked me about my final year project. Basically I have in my resume 3 or 4 projects. She only asked me about my final year project. I explained what is my role in my final year project. When after that he gave me an aptitude question about train and bird. Basically before the collision, when the collision occur between two trains with them each other, a bird, how much distance covered. Basically it is an aptitude on train. He asked me about my OOS concept from Java, as it is mentioned in my CV. So CV is a main role to what kind of question is asked in interview. So after giving a right answer, he tell me about why you want to join Infosys and tell me about Infosys. So before giving any kind of company interview, knowing company is very much important. So I did research before interview that what is Infosys and when it is established, like 1981, Mr. Narayan Murthy. So after giving a brief details, he got impressed. Basically he did not ask me about any technical question, and then the interview goes in HR. In my case, technical in HR both conducted in one interview. In my HR question, they asked me about strength and weaknesses, and then I tell detailed about my strength and weakness. And be honest with yourself when you tell that. It is not go through Wikipedia that what is strength and weaknesses. So in that it is quite shows realistic in your case. So after give a honest review of this question, he asked me that he give me a case study. Suppose you are working in a home. Suppose a person come in your home or your family member. How you secure your data from that person? So I give a answer that I take a different separate room and I tell my parents that don't come in my working period. See, he is quite impressed. After that he asked me, do you want to relocate or not? Do you are comfortable in working night shift or not. Basically, I give a correct answer in that case, so he got impressed, and basically I give all the correct answer. My suggestion is for future aspirants to clear written test, go through all previous year questions from YouTube or refer any kind of channel like Job for You. After clearing the written test, only focus on interview purpose. To get an interview call, you have to write a resume very detailed manner and go through all interview question of previously asked. For clearing the interview, I suggest that learning Java and DBMS is quite necessary. So learn DBMS basic SQL query or this kind of stuffs. In my case, technical question is quite less, but HR question is very much compared with the technical. I did my interview around 15 minutes. After that, I tell the interviewer that have a nice day. Thank you, sir. Then my interview was end. So I want to thank for Job for You channel to give me this opportunity to share my interview experience, my future experience. I tell them that focus on aptitude, then only focus on interview and learn about company. Thank you, and stay healthy and stay safe in COVID time. Thank you.
Congratulations for your selection as the system engineer in this Infosys company. It's a really good opportunity. And Roy, I really want to thank you that you shared your interview experience with us. And I shared on my channel just to help all those candidates who are really preparing for Infosys company and they have their interviews ahead. So guys, do watch the detailed video and prepare yourself. Guys, I hope this video is going to be very helpful for all of you during your Infosys interviews. So please guys, do subscribe to the channel for all the latest and amazing useful videos for your off-campus drive journey. Okay, I used to share all the details on this channel on regular basis about the interview question answers, about interview experiences, the interview experiences of the candidates who got selected for all the MNC roles. So guys, please do subscribe to the channel if you are preparing for any off-campus drive और looking for jobs. Okay, because रेगुलर जॉब अपडेट मिलती है आपको इस चैनल पर. साथ ही इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस मैं आपसे शेयर करती हूँ, रियल इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्चुअली आस्क्ड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस, हाउ यू नीड टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चंस, all HR tips. Okay, how you need to crack your technical interview rounds, how you need to crack your HR interview rounds. I'm the one who's going to share each and every detail on this channel on regular basis. So guys, believe me, this channel is going to support you in all your streams. So please do subscribe to the channel.